Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video by Anmol Temp Production. So the Apple Series 4 watch is launched for a while now, but it finally launched in India and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you. The basic price of the Apple Series 4 ranges from 40,900 for basic Wi-Fi variant with aluminium case with a 40 case size and goes all the way up to 52,900 for the aluminium case size 44 with LTE, which is the variant I have bought. And of course there are other variants like stainless steel, which starts at 60,000 and goes all the way up to 80,000 rupees. The box is really unique this time. You got a plastic packaging. Once you lift these two flaps up on the inside, you can find the really nice printed background. You have the Apple Watch box and the box for strap, which comes separately. Here on the box you can see that we have a space gray variant. I'm gonna open this up, and this time around they have wrapped the Apple Watch in a really nice soft feather like case, which is a good addition. And on the right hand side you can see we got the charging cable and the adapter. Now that's the Apple Watch. I have got the 44 over here. I have also gonna look at the strap real quick. The strap is also in the space gray color and comes with two sizes. Setting up is fairly simple. Once you bring the watch near your phone, it will automatically detect it, and then all you need to do is to scan this code on the face of the watch. Then you can quickly set it up your Apple Watch. So guys, if you compare the Series 4 with the Series 3, you will instantly feel that the edges of Series 4 are more thinner than that of the Series 3. And the feedback from the button is also improved, as now the Series 4 comes with the haptic feedback, and the new watch also have an OLED display. On the back, Series 4 got the ceramic, not like the Series 3 which have all aluminium back, and the sensors on both of the watches are different. Now there is a whole new set of layouts for the complications, including a large rectangular complication for tracking your activity. Once the heart rate ECG is available, you will be able to check all of that in a graph style, which makes it really interesting. It is going to be available and open to the third parties as well, so you can track data including, for example, flight timing and duration of flights. In this graph are really nice. Now the digital crown has a red ring around the dial instead of a full dot, makes it look slightly nicer. On the left you can see the speaker is much larger, also is much louder. So guys, that's pretty much for now. Hope you find this useful. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below your thoughts on Apple Watch Series 4. Do share this video with your friends and family. This is Anmol Temp Production. Catch you guys later.